Pakistan reveals gloomy picture of child rights as, according to child rights organizations, 9 infants out of 1,000 live births die every year because of the complicated deliveries in untrained hands. 38% children, majority of them girls, are slightly or severely malnourished. Children, particularly girls, are the worst victims of the widespread sexual and physical abuses. A large number of juvenile prisoners are in the regular jail for trial for the long time. Around 22 million children of 5 and less than of 14 years of ages are out of the schools. More than 3.3 million children are child laborers in the country. Same but little bit more is the case of child rights violations in Hazara division, where children are also more vulnerable of old customs. The infamous custom of Wani, in which a minor girl is given to rivals as commodity to settle the feud, is still prevailing in the region. 20 cases of Wani are reported recently alone in Mansehra district, but number of unreported cases is much higher of this. In view to gross violations of child rights in Hazara division, the national and international non-governmental organizations sensed a need to set up a joint platform to address these issues. The Child Rights Advocacy Network, commonly known as CRAN, was constituted by Save the Children in July 2009 after consultative meetings of 36 national and international NGOs in Mansehra. The Saibon Development Organization was empowered by the network to run day-to-day affairs of child rights body. No doubt, society can play a vital role to influence and pressurize government to fulfill its national and international obligations on child rights, and can also involve the community to achieve desired result. Ulema, journalists and other segments of the society are sensitized regarding child rights through workshops and seminars across region. The cordial environment is also created among national and international NGOs for collective efforts to stamp out menace of violations of child rights. The members of CRAN regularly visited juvenile prisons as remedial measures to address collective issues of the juvenile offenders. A committee is also constituted to provide the sports, health and legal services to juvenile offenders in the region. For effective awareness campaign, CRAN also compiled written material with reference to the child rights. As many as 144 people with disabilities have been referred to Social Welfare Department. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government had recently implemented Child Right Protection and Welfare Act 2010, and CRAN held seminars and workshops of the stakeholders to discuss its pros and cons, and healthy suggestions were passed on to government. Besides broadcasting messages, the radio programs were also organized on Child Protection and Welfare Act 2010. The CRAN members also visited schools to interact with the students, and classrooms were also decorated with the child rights messages. The child rights analysis of Mansehra is one of the biggest achievements of CRAN. The child rights analysis revealed that facts of domestic and social life of Mansehra district which were never revealed earlier.